Freeze! This is the police!
Yo, there, on the road, me a big Janak in the zone, but boy, them scatter when me step.
Time to protect and serve.
Me a the call guy, that is it, not no gruff. No matter, whoa, mother. Hey, my one back up, call him if you see trouble. I just wanna bubble. There are the digits, don't cause no trouble. Ping pong delay and double. Call me 119. Yeah, me serious, you looking so fine. Emergency service of the romantic kind. Call me 119.
What do you mean you have to give me a ticket?
Call me 119. What a pretty lady, me stance get wide. Adjust me shades, let the confidence glide. A smooth approach, voice like syrup. Why premium me up? You need a personal escort. Here your public servant with a private touch, license and registration. Yeah, me need those much. But I'm really checking is your relationship status. Cause me are the #1 cure for your lonely heart attack. Whoa, mama.
I'm sorry for the disturbance, folks. We just had a slight misconduct of the law, but everything is okay now. Should there be any other problem, I do house visits.
Call me.
What's your number?
119.
Yo, there, on the road, me a big Janak in the zone, but boy, them scatter when me step. You don't know, but the real assignment of it pretty. Mother, me a the call guy, that is it, not no gruff. No matter, whoa,